Waking up with a heavy, bloated belly is something many adults over 60 silently deal with, even when eating less or sticking to healthy habits. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. As we age, our digestive system naturally slows down. The stomach produces less acid. The muscles in our intestines become weaker, and food moves more slowly through the gastrointestinal tract. This can lead to a buildup of gas, bloating, constipation, and that stubborn feeling of heaviness in the lower abdomen. Even if your diet hasn't changed, your body's ability to process and eliminate waste efficiently has. Many older adults notice that despite eating smaller portions or avoiding sugar, their belly remains distended, tight, or uncomfortable. This isn't necessarily due to fat gain, it's often the result of reduced digestive efficiency, a decline in gut motility, and hormonal changes that affect metabolism and fluid retention. But here's the encouraging news. This condition is common, and more importantly, it's manageable. With a few gentle changes to your morning routine, like hydrating with warm water and including ingredients that stimulate digestion naturally, you can support your gut in ways that align with your body's current stage of life. This isn't about restrictive diets or intense exercise. It's about understanding how your body works now and giving it the tools it needs to function more smoothly. A consistent, calming start to your day can help restore regularity, reduce bloat, and even improve energy levels. Aging may change the way your body responds to food, but it doesn't mean you have to live with discomfort. Your body still wants to thrive, it just needs support tailored to its needs today. Warm water may seem like a simple choice, but it can have a profound impact on your digestive system, especially as you age. Drinking a cup of warm water first thing in the morning helps gently awaken the gastrointestinal tract. Unlike cold water, which can tighten blood vessels and slow digestive activity, warm water relaxes the smooth muscles of the stomach and intestines, encouraging a natural wave-like motion called peristalsis. This motion is essential for moving food and waste through the digestive tract. For adults over 60, who often experience slower gut motility and more frequent bloating, this small habit can be a game changer. Warm water also stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and gastric acid, which tend to decline with age. These enzymes are crucial for breaking down food effectively, absorbing nutrients, and reducing fermentation in the gut that leads to gas and discomfort. By priming your stomach early in the day, warm water sets the stage for smoother digestion throughout your meals. Another subtle but valuable benefit is its effect on appetite regulation. Warm water can create a mild sense of fullness, which may help prevent unnecessary snacking or sugar cravings later in the morning. This makes it an excellent tool for weight management and blood sugar stability, two common concerns in older adults. Hydrating with warm water also supports overall circulation and detoxification by gently improving blood flow and encouraging regular bowel movements. What seems like a basic ritual is, in fact, a powerful wellness tool. It aligns with your body's natural rhythms and supports the slower, more sensitive digestive systems common after 60. Beginning your day with warm water is a small act of care that can lead to big changes in comfort, energy, and gut health over time. Raw apple cider vinegar, ACV, especially the kind that contains the mother, a cloudy mass of beneficial bacteria and enzymes, is a time-tested natural remedy with proven digestive and metabolic benefits. Particularly for older adults, one of its primary advantages is its ability to help stabilize blood sugar levels. When taken before meals, apple cider vinegar can slow the rate at which glucose enters the bloodstream, preventing sharp insulin spikes. This is critical for people over 60, as insulin resistance tends to increase with age, contributing to weight gain, especially around the belly. By promoting more stable blood sugar, ACV can indirectly support fat metabolism and reduce abdominal fat storage over time. In addition to metabolic effects, ACV enhances digestive health. As we age, stomach acid levels often decline, leading to symptoms like bloating, indigestion, and poor nutrient absorption. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which can help increase stomach acidity naturally, improving the breakdown of food and absorption of essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. Another important function of ACV is its mild antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps create a more balanced gut microbiome by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria while supporting beneficial strains. A healthier gut environment translates to better digestion, improved immune function, and reduced inflammation. benefits that are especially important for aging adults seeking to preserve gut and metabolic health. It's important to consume ACV properly diluted, typically 1 tablespoon mixed into warm water, to avoid irritation to the esophagus or stomach lining. When used correctly and consistently, apple cider vinegar becomes more than a folk remedy. It's a science-supported ally for better digestion, blood sugar control, and long-term abdominal health in older adults. Fresh lemon juice is more than just a flavorful addition to water, it's a powerful, natural support for digestion, detoxification, and immune function, especially beneficial for adults over 60. Rich in citric acid and vitamin C, lemon juice helps stimulate the production of digestive juices, including bile and stomach acid, which are essential for breaking down food efficiently. This is particularly helpful as digestive enzyme production tends to decline with age, leading to symptoms like bloating, slow metabolism, and indigestion. By enhancing gastric secretions, lemon juice helps improve nutrient absorption and encourages smoother digestive flow. Another key benefit of lemon juice lies in its liver-supportive and mildly detoxifying properties. The liver is responsible for filtering toxins, breaking down fat, and regulating blood sugar, functions that become increasingly important with age. The antioxidants in lemon, especially limonoids and vitamin C, assist the liver in its cleansing role, promoting fat metabolism and reducing oxidative stress on the body's cells. Though lemon juice is acidic in taste, it has an alkalizing effect once metabolized in the body. This helps balance the body's pH levels, reducing systemic inflammation and supporting immune function. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a known contributor to age-related illnesses, and small daily habits like drinking lemon water can make a measurable difference over time. Additionally, lemon juice can help manage appetite, particularly cravings for sugary foods. The natural tartness can reset the palate, while its blood sugar stabilizing effect reduces the dips in energy that often trigger snack cravings. For older adults focused on weight management or reducing sugar intake, lemon juice offers a gentle, effective tool. When consumed as part of a warm morning drink, fresh lemon juice becomes a daily ritual that supports digestive health, immune resilience, and metabolic balance, without the need for supplements or medications. Fresh ginger is a highly effective natural remedy known for its ability to support digestion, reduce inflammation, and enhance metabolic health, qualities that are particularly valuable for adults over 60. One of ginger's primary actions in the body is its ability to stimulate gastrointestinal motility. This means it helps activate the muscles in the intestines that move food through the digestive tract, a process called peristalsis. For older adults, who often experience slower digestion and constipation, ginger can help promote regular bowel movements and reduce uncomfortable bloating caused by stagnant digestion. Ginger is also a well-documented anti-inflammatory agent, thanks to bioactive compounds like gingerols and shogaols. These compounds help reduce inflammation not just in the digestive system, but systemically throughout the body, including in joints and blood vessels. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a known contributor to fatigue, joint pain, and various age-related diseases, making ginger a useful dietary addition for older adults seeking to feel more mobile and energetic. In addition to its digestive and anti-inflammatory effects, ginger improves circulation, which enhances nutrient delivery and metabolic efficiency. Its mild thermogenic properties mean it can slightly raise body temperature, which in turn may boost calorie burning and support a healthy metabolism without overstimulating the body. Ginger is also particularly effective at relieving post-meal discomfort such as gas, indigestion, or nausea, common issues in aging digestive systems. Just a few slices of fresh ginger in warm water can soothe the stomach lining, prevent fermentation of undigested food, and create a sense of internal calm and comfort after eating. In summary, fresh ginger is a simple yet powerful ingredient that helps aging bodies digest better, move more freely, and feel more balanced, naturally and gently, without the need for medications or harsh stimulants. Ground cinnamon is more than just a pleasant spice. It plays a significant role in blood sugar regulation, appetite control, and digestive support, making it an ideal addition to a wellness routine for adults over 60. One of cinnamon's most powerful properties is its ability to increase insulin sensitivity. As we age, our cells often become less responsive to insulin, leading to higher blood sugar levels and an increased tendency to store fat. particularly around the midsection. Cinnamon helps the body use insulin more effectively, allowing glucose to enter cells more efficiently and reducing excess sugar that would otherwise be converted into fat. In addition to its metabolic benefits, cinnamon supports digestive health. It contains natural antimicrobial compounds that help reduce harmful bacteria and yeast in the gut, key contributors to fermentation and gas production. By balancing gut flora, cinnamon can ease bloating and enhance overall digestive comfort. This is especially beneficial for seniors who experience sluggish digestion and discomfort after meals. Cinnamon also has a natural appetite-regulating effect. Its slightly sweet taste can help reduce cravings for sugar and processed snacks, while also promoting a sense of satiety for those seeking to manage their weight or control blood sugar spikes. This gentle hunger-reducing effect can make a meaningful difference. What makes cinnamon especially valuable is how subtly it works in harmony with other natural ingredients like ginger, lemon, and apple cider vinegar. While each element offers its own unique benefit, cinnamon enhances the overall formula by promoting balance, metabolic, microbial, and behavioral. A small pinch in your morning drink may help you feel fuller, more stable, and less inclined to overeat, especially during energy slumps. In short, cinnamon is a quiet but powerful ally for digestive wellness, fat metabolism, and healthy aging. Creating this gentle, digestion-supportive morning drink is simple, cost-effective, and takes only a few minutes to prepare. The formula combines 5 natural ingredients, each offering unique benefits to digestion, metabolism, and overall gut health, especially for adults over 60. To make it, begin by warming 1 to 2 cups of water. The water should be comfortably warm, not boiling, to preserve the integrity of the ingredients and avoid irritation to the digestive tract. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. This activates digestive enzymes and supports liver function. Then, incorporate 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, preferably the kind containing the mother, which is rich in enzymes and beneficial bacteria. Stir gently to blend the lemon and vinegar into the warm water. Grate about 1/2 teaspoon of fresh ginger or add a few thin slices. Ginger promotes intestinal movement, reduces gas, and enhances circulation. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This not only balances blood sugar but also supports appetite control and gut microbial health. Mix the drink well and consume it on an empty stomach, ideally first thing in the morning. This timing maximizes absorption and jump starts your digestive system for the day. If you prefer, you may divide the drink into 2 smaller portions, one in the morning and another in the late afternoon. This extended dosing may help sustain digestive support throughout the day. Drinking this blend regularly, especially over a 10-day cycle followed by a 3-day break, allows your body to reset gently and benefit from natural rhythms of healing. It's a practical and sustainable way to improve gut function, reduce bloating, and support metabolic balance, all without the need for supplements or synthetic products. For best results and to avoid overstimulation, it's recommended to follow a structured usage schedule for this morning digestive drink. Consume the drink daily for 10 consecutive days, followed by a 3-day break. This cyclical approach gives your body time to respond positively without becoming dependent on any single ingredient. It also allows your digestive system to reset and maintain its own natural rhythm, which is especially important for adults over 60 whose metabolism and gut motility tend to be more sensitive. Since the drink contains both lemon juice and apple cider vinegar, both acidic in nature, it is advisable to drink it using a straw. This minimizes direct contact with your teeth and helps protect dental enamel over time. Even though the solution is diluted, repeated exposure to acid can gradually erode the protective outer layer of the teeth, leading to sensitivity or decay if not addressed. Another important guideline is to avoid increasing the dosage beyond the recommended amounts. More is not always better, especially with potent ingredients like vinegar and ginger, which can irritate the stomach lining or lead to discomfort if consumed excessively. Instead, consistency is key. The body responds more favorably to gentle, repeated support rather than abrupt increases in quantity. Stick to the original recipe and allow your body to adapt gradually. If well tolerated, you can repeat this 10-day on, 3-day off cycle on a regular basis as part of a long-term wellness routine. Always listen to your body. If you experience discomfort or are taking medications that affect digestion, Consult your healthcare provider before continuing. By following this thoughtful schedule, you're not only supporting your digestion but doing so in a way that respects your body's natural pace and long-term health. After following the 10-day morning drink routine, many individuals over the age of 60 report noticeable improvements in both physical and digestive well-being. One of the first changes often observed is a significant reduction in abdominal bloating. The combination of warm water, ginger, and lemon helps promote smoother digestion, while apple cider vinegar and cinnamon support gut motility and microbial balance. As a result, the belly feels lighter, and post-meal discomfort tends to decrease. Another common benefit is a reduction in sugar cravings and random snacking. Particularly in the late morning or evening, cinnamon and apple cider vinegar work synergistically to stabilize blood sugar levels, which helps prevent the energy crashes that often trigger the urge to eat sweets or salty snacks. This regulation contributes not only to better dietary habits but also to more consistent energy throughout the day. With improved digestion comes greater regularity in bowel movements, which is especially important for older adults who may struggle with constipation. The increased hydration, digestive stimulation, and anti-inflammatory support all help maintain smoother, more predictable gastrointestinal function. Over this 10-day period, some individuals also notice looser fitting clothing, particularly around the waist, due to decreased bloating and fluid retention rather than fat loss. This shift often boosts confidence and comfort in daily movement. Equally important are the benefits to mental and emotional health. Many users report feeling clearer, more refreshed, and better rested, with improved sleep quality and reduced discomfort during the night. These positive changes in physical health naturally support a better mood, sharper alertness, and a sense of vitality. Although individual results may vary, consistent use of this morning drink offers a gentle yet powerful reset for the digestive system and overall wellness, without the need for extreme diets or medications. You don't need to overhaul your entire lifestyle to feel better. Sometimes, it starts with just one small act of care, a single glass each morning. This simple routine may seem minor, but it sends a powerful message to your body. I'm here for you. Especially after 60, every mindful habit counts, and this gentle drink may be exactly what your digestive system has been quietly asking for. It's not about perfection. It's about consistency, kindness, and tuning in to what your body truly needs at this stage of life. We invite you to try this morning ritual for just 10 days. See how your body responds, perhaps with more comfort, less bloating, or even a boost in energy and mood. And when you do, come back and share your experience in the comments. Your journey could inspire someone else to take their first step. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with a friend or a loved one who may also be struggling with digestion, bloating, or low energy. Sometimes, the smallest acts of support can create the biggest shifts in someone's health. And don't forget to subscribe to Health is Gold, your trusted source for natural, realistic tips on aging well, staying active, and feeling light, physically and emotionally, well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Let's grow stronger together, one morning at a time.